This is the instructional video for the 24-hour urine hormone test. Please follow the instructions closely to ensure the most accurate results. Before starting collection, review all the collection instructions. On your written instructions provided in the kit, there is important information regarding hormone replacement therapy, hydration, which days to collect, and other factors that may apply to you. Please look over this carefully. Now to begin collection, take your kit and lay out the contents. In the kit, you should have one collection jug with boric acid tablet. The boric acid tablet acts as a preservative, so you don't have to refrigerate the sample during collection. You should also have one collection cup. In the kit, you should have one ice pack, 3 clear vials, 3 Ziploc bags, 3 biohazard bags, and 1 requisition and questionnaire. Make sure to fill out all of your information on the requisition form provided to you by your physician and identify the specific 24-hour urine panel you want ran. Also, please make sure to fill out your hormone symptom questionnaire. Before collecting, place the provided ice pack with styrofoam lid into the freezer as you see here. On the morning of collection, discard your first urination into the toilet. Record this time. For the next 24 hours, you're going to want to collect all urinations into the jug. You could either urinate directly into the jug or go into the provided cup and pour it into the jug. At exactly the same previously recorded time the next day of the first void, urinate a final time into the jug. This will end your 24-hour urine collection. Next, you're going to want to record the total volume of the jug by placing the collection jug in an upright position and reading the volume from the scale. Each line on the jug represents 100 milliliters. Record the total volume on the requisition form and on the 3 vials. Secure the lid on the jug and pour the urine into 3 vials up to the upper 40 milliliter line. Discard the remainder of the urine. Make sure all labels have name, date of collection, and total volume of the 24-hour urine collection. Next, you're going to want to place all the vials in each Ziploc bag and seal. Then place the vials in the zippered portion of the biohazard bags. Next, take your requisition form and questionnaire and put it in the outside pocket of any of the 3 biohazard bags. Next, place the bags in the styrofoam container. Take the lid with the cold ice pack from your freezer and place it on top. Close the box Place the entire box into the provided mailer and send back to the lab. If you have any additional questions about collection, please contact Meridian Valley Lab customer service toll-free at 855-405-8378.